Welcome to 3D Experience. Now that we've seen the apps on the platform, we'll understand that they're the engine behind the enhancements within SOLIDWORKS. The first step to using SOLIDWORKS with cloud services is launching it from the platform. I want to emphasize that SOLIDWORKS is opening on your local machine. The hardware requirements for SOLIDWORKS have not changed, so the first time you do this, you'll need to install the launch software. Opening this way signs you into your 3D Experience account within SOLIDWORKS. It gives you access to the critical apps we're reviewing in this series, especially for data management. Files can be accessed here, but Bookmark Editor can be conveniently accessed in the same File Open window as your other local files. When you open a file, it downloads a copy on your machine, which I can see in my local cache. After a few edits, when I save my changes, I can see that the copy no longer matches the original. So I'll need to save back to the cloud. I can overwrite the copy that's on the cloud, which would be like hitting the save button normally, or I can create a revision. Either way, I'll switch back to the 3D Experience tab. Here, I'll show you the My Session app unique to SOLIDWORKS, which is what you'll be using for most of your data management. This view is a combination of Bookmark Editor and your local cache. This lets you view the status of your local files, their lock status, and other important information from the platform. And it also lets you create a new revision by right-clicking. I'll lock this revision and hit Save. This uploads the copy to 3D Experience. I can see that my local copy is now up to date with the file on the cloud. This is also the best way to save a design to the platform for the first time. For example, this assembly has never been uploaded. So when I right-click and save, I'll get the options window, which asks for the collaborative space and bookmark to save it to. Another thing in the My Session app is the change action icon, which is the hard hat symbol here. If I'm working under a change action, I can specify that. Now, this can get complex, so it's worth playing with to see what it can do. Beyond data management, integrating 3D Experience also allows you to further customize component configurations for your bill of materials. If a configuration represents a different state of your part, maybe a simplified geometry or positions of an assembly, these can be referred to as representations. However, if a configuration will result in a new product on your shelf, you can designate it as a physical product. Ultimately, this delineation is up to you and how you can best utilize it for your bill of materials. We also have the Lifecycle and Collaboration tab, which houses some of the functions we discussed earlier and also gives us a Share button. This uploads a unique copy of the file using 3D Drive, which can be compared to Dropbox or Google Drive. A secure link can be generated to share with people outside your organization, and they'll be able to view the file with a free online CAD viewer. If you've used eDrawings in the past, you'll find this tremendously convenient. I hope you've enjoyed seeing these enhancements to SOLIDWORKS. To learn more about the platform and its capabilities, check out the other videos in the series, and be sure to subscribe to our channel and visit us at hawkridgesys.com.